dedicated teachers, loving parents, friends, and most especially my fellow graduates, good morning. I am John Emilio F. De Pano, and I am standing here in front of you on behalf of the graduating class of St. Joseph School of Pandacan, class 2009 to 2010, to thank all the people who made our memory here worthwhile. I was only 5 years old when my parents brought me in this institution to learn. At first, I am crying out loud when Mama left me, but now, as you can see, we are equipped with knowledge. We got stinky, we got dirty, but see, we learned. We will be saying goodbye to our preschool teachers who patiently molded us to what we are now, and I praise God for I am given the chance to stand here to thank all the people who've met above, to thank all the people who've met. We will all the way when we were a preschool pupil. Thank you, Teacher Grace, for believing in my talent and capabilities. To Teacher Gladys, thank you for your great patience and bringing out the best in me. Thank you also to my classmates and friends for making each school day bright and beautiful. But there is a person I wish to thank more than anyone else. It is my parents. I owe you my love. Without Mama and Papa, I wouldn't be here. I was so blessed that God has given me a family like us. Above all, I thank God for this amazing day. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Thank you so much, dear. Let us all rise for a pledge.